Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying timecode and audio sources so Premiere has reliable reference points. Import all camera and audio files into organized bins, then set the sequence frame rate and audio sample rate to match the clips. Once done, skim clips and label camera names and take numbers. This reduces guesswork during sync. Make sure multicam cameras are grouped mentally and identify a primary audio track for reference. Now you're ready to select the clips that will be synchronized. You should prioritize timecode because it's precise. Select camera and recorder files, then use merge clips with timecode as the sync point. If timecode is unavailable or inconsistent, choose audio and let Premiere align via waveform. This is the fallback. Once merged, create multicam or nested sequences from merged clips for editing. Make sure to inspect waveform alignment visually and play a few frames to confirm lips and hits match audio. If needed, nudge merged clips by frames for fine-tune alignment. You finish by building a multicam sequence or nesting merged clips so you can cut without losing sync. Once done, play back several minutes to confirm no drift. Drift usually means mismatched sample or frame rates, so verify source settings and remerge if needed. If audio alignment looks off by a frame or two, nudge the clip and re-render peak sections. Remember to keep originals intact. If all else fails, relink and repeat merge clips using the correct timecode or audio reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.